Imagine you have a product and you want to get it in front of the people who are most likely to buy it. Would you know where to start? Would you know what tools to use? And would you know the types of things that you need to do to get them hooked and coming back and buy it more? Today, your customers are going to buy products literally at a click of a button. But the question is, would they buy it from you or your competitors? Hi, my name is Syed and I'm a digital marketing consultant based in US. I help entrepreneurs create different websites that generate sales. Let me show you how to create an e-commerce marketing strategy that not only generates sales but have your customers coming back to you consistently. Let's get started with creating an e-commerce marketing strategy for your products.